Because this is such a unique disease for anyone who has it, it's important to stay honest and to communicate that honesty to yourself and also to your care team. My care team consists of my primary doctor, my nutritionist, my endocrinologist, my foot doctor, and my therapist. That is what I need right now to help me with balancing all of the other things that are going on. I think it's important to definitely take in a second opinion. I had this doctor that was the worst. Made me feel so embarrassed, like I was the bad guy. My diabetes and glucose is affected by my stress levels. As a full-time caregiver for my mom, I was struggling so much with managing my mom as her caregiver and then struggling with being diagnosed with diabetes. The last opinion I had was amazing. I felt so seen. I felt encouraged. And it was an emotional time. I'm getting emotional right now just thinking about it. They didn't just talk about my struggles and challenges. They talked about me being a caregiver and how that would affect my glucose levels. That has been the life-altering moment for me. If being more active is the challenge for you, then perhaps talking with your primary doctor and asking for references on personal trainers, that could be where you start. If you are working with a trainer or if you're using a fitness app, just be honest with yourself and also do not push yourself. Start with the basics and know that you are a badass just because you started. I'll also communicate with my foot doctor just to make sure that everything is copacetic. If food is a struggle or a challenge for you, then maybe your care team has a nutritionist. Oh, okay, I guess I have to eat like this. Oh, wait. You can still enjoy what you eat. I can have this situation in my control. And it really did the best thing for my A1C. Now I can fully and confidently say my numbers are in the normal range. I feel healthier and I just feel good with myself. I feel like this is the best version of myself because I've created this care team that serves me.